Today is Tuesday, February 6th. This is 1962 original vintage Cadillac power antenna for Mark Andrews in Golden, Colorado. Mark Andersen sent me this antenna, and I've completely rebuilt it after putting in the aftermarket telescopic mast that he sent me. Although that was not really necessary. I was able to repair the original telescopic mast, but as this aftermarket one is a little bit straighter and shinier, that's the one I ultimately put in for Mark to save him the cost of me repairing his existing original mast. The aftermarket mast is 25 thousandths smaller on segment 1 and 2, and scope's a little bit shorter once installed, so it doesn't come completely flush with the chrome bezel. So I've gone ahead and I've connected the unit to power. I'm going to do a power actuation test. I've adjusted the clutch to make sure that it's engaging properly and not putting unnecessary stress on the nylon cord. So I'll go ahead and connect it to power, and we'll do actuation extension test. And there is mast extending, and that is the clutch activating in accordance with the original design intent, fully extended. So now I'll go ahead and I'll reverse the polarity. And there again is the fully retracted antenna with the clutch properly engaging. Most important thing in rebuilding one of these original Cadillac power antennas is the proper tensioning of the clutch in order to make sure that it has adequate engagement for extending and retracting the telescopic mast segments, but not excessive such as to break the cord. Okay, so that's the 1962 power antenna for Mark Andersen, and it's going to be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts for the 1962 to 1967 Cadillacs and over 125,000 parts for the 1962 to 1970 original Cadillacs. Thank you very kindly.